I have told you this earlier as well. There will be people who will be naysayers, who will try to pull you down, who will try to make you feel inferior. Especially this examination, I have been telling you this from day one, your mindset is very important. So do not let anyone else, and I am telling, when I say anyone else, it means even your parents or your family. Let them affect your confidence or your mindset with respect to this examination. See, of course, इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है, बहुत मुश्किल एग्जाम है, highly competitive exam है. Chances are that the chances of failure are statistically much more as compared to chances of success in this examination. But that's the nature of it. But I can tell you one thing, if you put your mind and heart to this examination, of course that has to come from within you. No external force, no external authority can necessarily force you to study. But if you are motivated from within, if you know why you are appearing in this examination, then success is possible for each and every one of you. आप कितने ही होपलेस रहे हो एकेडमिक्स में पहले, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. बार बार मैं ये बात बोलता हूं कि आप ये एग्जामिनेशन क्वालिफाई कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. ऑल दैट मैटर्स इज आप कंसेप्ट समझिए. मैं बार बार बोलता हूं, देखिए 3 चीजें रिक्वायर्ड है इस एग्जाम को क्वालिफाई करने के लिए. कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी, कंसेप्ट पता होना चाहिए, ये रट्टे से नहीं निकलेगा एग्जाम. पूरी तरीके से कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी होना हर सब्जेक्ट, हर टॉपिक पे. सेकंड, contextual clarity. Whatever I am studying, how relevant that is for the examination. I have been telling you कि इतनी information है कि अगर आप अपने आप को सवालों में उलझाएंगे तो फिर सवालों में ही उलझ जाएंगे. Right? You need to know that how to declutter your mind as well. How to keep your mind decluttered as well. So that you can just focus on what is required for the examination. And the third is hard work and sincerity. Without that, of course, all the above 2 things also make no sense. Right? So just focus on those 3 things and then leave rest up to your destiny. Whether you get selected or not will depend upon a number of other factors which are out of your control. But what you can do, जो आपके हाथ में आप वो कीजिए. What you can do is what you should be focusing on, not on those things or external factors which are beyond your control.